Hello and welcome to a new class of Tips and Tricks 4. In today's class we're going to demonstrate concisely words that at first sight seem alike, but they are not. They are apparently like minimal pairs. Minimal pairs, as we all know, are words that differ in one phonological element, like a phoneme, a toneme, etc. Let's display few of them, few of these confusing words. At first sight, as we see these three words, normally we'll say come, bom, tom, but these are not correct. We are here to set up everything. This word, when you comb someone's hair, we say comb, not comb. Comb. This one, bomb. When you attack someone with a bomb. Bomb. Tomb, not tomb. Tomb, the large grave, you know. Let's move to the second part. These three words that, they're somehow look the same, seem the same, but they are not. They are different in sound, different in meaning. Let's see. Cloth. Now, cloth. Cloth. The IPA, have a look at the IPA, which is the most accurate. The way to get the perfect pronunciation. Cloth. Clothe. To dress. The verb clothe. Clothes. Now, clothes. Okay, easy or difficult? You seem easy or difficult to you? Easy. Okay, can you read all together? If it is easy, Cow. Notice the difference, Cow. Good. Bomb. Bomb. Always ma plus ba equals? Ma. Very nice. Silent. One of the most prominent and explicit silent letters or silent sounds when ma comes with ba. Ba is vanished. Co. Next. Bomb. Tomb. Like tomb. Tomb. Good. Move. Cloth. Cloth. Clothes. Clothes. The verb to dress. Clothes. Clothes. Okay. Let me select out someone to read out for the class. Okay. A girl and a boy. Why not Muhammad? Okay, Muhammad. Let's partake. Come. Okay. Are you ready to read? Give yourself a try. Okay. Raise your voice for your mates. Comb. Comb. Oh. Oh, please shut them. Oh, please shut them. Oh. Comb. Comb. Again. This one again. Bomb. Bomb. Next. Tomb. Okay. Cloth. What? Cloth. Clothes. Clothes. How do you see them? Are they good or so-so? How do you see them? Good. Okay, give them a big hand.